If you love cinnamon buns and sticky pecan pie, you will absolutely love what we're about to try. We're making hand-rolled cinnamon buns with a luscious cocoa cinnamon spread and a sticky nutty pecan glaze. Let's get baking! Start with the dough. Warm up the milk until lukewarm and whisk in yeast until dissolved and foamy. In a large bowl, combine flour, sugar, egg, and butter. Add your yeast mixture to the rest, then knead while adding the salt until smooth and elastic. Cover and let it rise until doubled. That should take you about 1 to 1.5 hours. While the dough rises, stir together butter, brown sugar, cocoa, and cinnamon into a spreadable paste. The cocoa adds so much depth and richness to this filling you have no idea. Let's move on to the buns. Roll the dough into a rectangle, cut it into 5 to 8 cm strips, and spread each one with cocoa filling. Roll the buns into individual swirls for the perfect shape, then place them in a dish. Cover and let them rise for 45 minutes. And now we're gonna bake them at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until golden and fluffy. Time for the glossy pecan pie glaze. In a pan, melt butter, brown sugar, and cream until glossy. Stir in vanilla, salt, and toasted pecans. Spoon the pecan glaze generously over the warm buns. Sprinkle extra pecans on top and go right ahead and pull one apart. These chocolate pecan pie cinnamon buns are oh so soft, sticky, chocolatey, and nutty all at once. We like to serve ours warm for brunch. The question is, what are we drinking with it? Let us know in the comments if you have any ideas. Heaven. Don't forget to subscribe for more cocoa-fueled recipes. A full recipe with tips is included in the description.